How to troubleshoot issues with YouTube TV free trial charges. Step number 1, understand authorization holds. Upon initiating a free trial, YouTube TV may place an authorization hold on your payment method to verify its validity. This hold is temporary and typically released within a few days. If you noticed a pending charge, it may be the authorization hold. Step number 2, verify eligibility for free trial. Free trials are generally available only to first-time subscribers. If you've previously used a free trial or subscribed to YouTube TV, you may not be eligible for another trial, resulting in immediate charges upon sign-up. Step number 3, review your subscription details. Log into your YouTube TV account. Navigate to Settings, Membership to view your subscription status and billing information. Ensure that your account reflects the free trial status. Step number 4, check for add-on subscriptions. During sign-up, you may have selected additional channels or packages that aren't included in the free trial. These add-ons can incur immediate charges. Review your subscription to identify and manage any add-ons. Step number 5, contact YouTube TV support. If unexpected charges persist, reach out to YouTube TV's customer support for assistance. Provide details of the charges and your account information to facilitate resolution. Step number 6, monitor your payment method. Keep an eye on your bank or credit card statements for any unauthorized charges. If you detect unauthorized transactions, contact your financial institution immediately.